tell you about our complimentary AC checkup service.
Yeah, that's right. Our XR team offers a free air condition checkup to ensure your AC system working smoothly and effectively.
During this checkup, we inspect your AC unit thoroughly to catch up potential issues before they become big problems.
Our technician will look at various components of your system, including the filters, coils, and refrigerant levels.
We will also check for any signs of wear or damage that could affect performance.
It is important to note that while the checkup itself is completely free, any repairs or parts needed will have associated costs.
But don't worry, we will provide you with a detailed explanation of any issue we find and the cost involved before proceeding with any work.
So, if you want to make sure your AC is in the top shape for the season, schedule your free checkup with us today.
So, if you have any questions or need to book your appointment, just reach out to us. We are here to help.
Thanks for watching and we look forward to serving you.